This is Girl Garage's job today. I think I have a leaking seal, axle seal, based on how much really gross, gunky stuff I have leaking. I periodically have spots on the floor. But now that I've started to look at everything, it's pretty gunky all the way down towards the differential. So I might have more than one leak. So I'm gonna figure that out today. Thank God for you guys who put videos up on YouTube to teach me how to do this. And I'm gonna figure it out. Oh yeah, look at that gunkiness. I got some cleaning to do. What a yucky mess. What else we got over here? Ooh, that's icky, sticky. Smelly. Well, we'll see how this goes. See if I make a mess on myself. Of course, I don't know where I put my tool. So supposedly, I should just break these loose first. Super grimy and gross. Comes grody. Man, we just cleaned up the underneath of this car. I don't know. I think it's been 2 years, almost 2 years since I took possession of it, and none of this was leaking. But I guess now that I'm driving it, stuff is leaking. It did not occur to me that I need to have a gasket for this, so I'll have to go get a gasket. This is a 12-bolt rear end from the factory. But while I'm under here, I could check all the numbers. I don't think I have a numbers matching car, but you never know. My brother was a transmission guy for Ford, but this car was his love, so I'm imagining he changed out the transmission, but I could be wrong about that. All right, that's a different bolt for so messy and ugly. I know I have a jack sitting there in a weird place. I'm absolutely paranoid about being under a car. So it always takes me forever to get the car all jacked up and get myself into position here. All right. Okay then. Get a screwdriver. This stuff is thick and super duper dirty. So it's a good time to do a gear oil change out anyway, right? Ooh, it smells. I had myself all geared up for an axle seal replacement, and that's not what I have going on here. So check this out. I think I have gear oil leaking from a broken weld off a bracket for these traction bars. So check it out and you let me know what you think. All right, let me try to get this camera in here, get a little light on it. There it is. Let me see. So I got a lot of gunkiness. That's where the gunkiness is coming from. It's not coming from the top of that shaft there. It's coming from down over here. It's coming from down over here where this bracket is. Right there, I think. So my guess is somewhere at the top of the bracket where it's welded. Maybe there's a hairline crack in the weld. That's got to be where it's coming from. So all that preparation, I was so excited to do my first seal replacement. Now you guys are gonna teach me. You guys are gonna teach me how to do a whole repair here. I'm gonna drop the rear end out of this Camaro, and you'll be on the journey to make sure I don't break anything. I wish there was some more instant advice I could get. But we got this. We got this. Let me see. That's the bracket. That is the bracket right there. I think there's a break in those welds. So we'll drop the rear end out and see what we can do to fix it up. I went ahead and put the axle back in. I'm just gonna shove some rags in there and not put the pan back on, or whatever it's called, and go after this leak that I'm trying to find. See all that gunky right in there? There's a weld on this bracket right underneath here, and I think that's cracked. I did learn how to weld, so that's good. I was hoping to never have to actually weld on my car, but here we go. Come along for the ride. This is so exciting. We're doing this today. Bill and Terry are coming over, and they're gonna help me pull the rear end out of this car. This is my big deal today, so that I could get that crack welded up. Wish us luck.